Hi, this is Sean Keith with Keith Law Group. Thank you for putting your trust into our law firm to represent you. I know getting into a car wreck was about the last thing on your list, and we want to make it as easy as possible on you. Let us handle the legal aspect so you can treat and get better. So you've already signed your letter of engagement. You are now a client. A project has been opened up under your name. The first thing that we're going to do, and the first thing I would like you to do, is turn on your portal. You'll get a text from our office, if you haven't gotten it already, that will say Keith Law Group portal. That's your portal. That's your file, and that's how you will communicate the most securely, the most privately with our law firm in regards to your case. Now, you can still get texts outside the portal. You can still send emails outside the portal. You can always call us. I'm an old-fashioned guy. I still like phone calls. That being said, if at all possible, use your portal to transfer documents, photographs, and other things. Which brings us to the second most important part of this video. The first thing that I need from you in regards to the intake phase, and we've set up your case and all cases into different phases. You are in the intake phase currently. Each time you change to a different phase, which very soon it'll be the treatment phase, you'll get a video like this one. It's short, it's from me, and explains what we need from you or what is happening in your case during that phase. Right now, during the intake phase, it's one of the busiest times that you'll be. We need from you photographs, photos of the scene, photos of your injuries, photos of your car, any photographs you have, please get those to your file. Second, we need you to sign the HIPAA or medical authorization that the client communication specialist has probably already sent you. And if not, she will shortly. Finally, we need your deck sheet from your auto insurance. We need to know what kind of coverage you have. Not only the coverage that the other driver has, but there is coverage that we may need to use through your own. And because this wasn't your fault, this wasn't you weren't negligent, the other driver was, your rates should not be affected. In fact, you pay for the coverage that we're looking at. Underinsurance, uninsured drivers, and MedPay. Finally, I get a lot of questions about property damage. One of the things I want to tell you, I have made a whole video, 5-6 minute video that will take you and explain to you about how to handle your property damage claim. We don't get involved in that. I don't want to charge a fee for that. If it's repairs, it's very straightforward. You need the price of repairs, what repairs are necessary, and the loss of use, a rental car, or some payment for you not having your car. If your car's been totaled, it's just like buying a new car again. You're entitled to the fair market value of that vehicle. There is a property damage adjuster that you will talk to. Don't give a statement about how the collision occurred. He won't ask you. If he does, don't give it and call me. Don't talk to him about injuries. He won't ask it. But if he does, call me. But talk to him about the value. And the truth is, you got to reach an agreement on fair market value. Otherwise, you're going to have to sue the other side or make a claim. And oftentimes you need to, clients do. If you can't come to an agreement or they're being too slow with the other party's insurance, turn to your insurance. And if you've got comprehensive or collision, that property damage will be covered. Communication is one of the most important things that we do with our clients. You'll receive a text, a call from our office every 2 weeks while you're a client of ours. Return those texts, return those calls. I need to know how you're doing. You'll be assigned a case manager. She'll send you a video to introduce herself. And you'll be talking to our client communication specialist all through treatment every 2 weeks. But if something comes up and you have a question, pick up the phone and give me a call. Thank you for choosing Keith Law Group.